What about the little screws?
Yeah, definitely did something.
Look how flash this looks.
Yeah, something like that. Looks good. Force it, doesn't go.
Just a bit tight. You've got cookie in your mustache.
Good. So good.
Yesterday, Matt finished off doing these cupboards. There's just a couple of little things that I need to do, such as screw these little guys in. They just need a little bit of trimming because I didn't do the best job finding the straightest pieces of wood, so that's alright. And the bed is in. How exciting! Little by little, getting closer to being there. Just got a couple of things I'm gonna do today, but it's 8 o'clock and it's scalding hot, so I'm not gonna be out here for long because I'm just not doing it. Not doing the heat today. So, she's coming. She's coming along.
You can just work.
Do you think you're cool? But what if they mess up?
Cut it there. And then practice on this piece.
Okay.
So practice on the hand you shoot off.
So green, red is brown, and the N is blue. Perfectly. On to the next step. I've got two exciting things to show you. One, I'm gonna go grab. We were looking for something, a marketplace, or used, but everything was too big, so we bought something and I love it. It's a sink! Everything was too big, it wasn't fitting in the van, so we went to this kind of weird, sketchy place, and they got this baby on sale, so I'm stoked. Oh yeah, thing number two. Come this way. Got a bed. It's a bit big. You're gonna have to cut her there. But look at that. Look at that. Like a bloody glove. Good morning. It's actually not steaming hot this morning, so I'm hopefully gonna get some more done before it gets too hot and I retreat to any cool spot. So this morning I'm going to attempt to put the bench tops in. There's a little gap right here, so I'm going to try and cut it a little bit more flat so there's less of a gap, and then screw these in and hopefully mark out a hole for this. So, and get that done before it gets hot.